What a great looking vessel. Folks, you don't get much closer than this to the action. You surely don't. Oh, good morning and welcome down to Port Robinson on this very, very chilly Sunday morning. It's currently the minus 11 degrees Celsius, which to me is bloody cold, especially for this part of Ontario. Usually we don't see these kind of temperatures until late January. So anyway, December's been bitterly cold, and it's that cold today. I've actually gone for what we say in England, especially Manchester, the big coat. It's cold enough for the big coat. So this is the big coat. The big coat is on, trying to keep me warm. I should fasten it up, which I'll do very shortly, but the winds are light, thankfully, which is nice. Anyway, what am I doing down here in Port Robinson? Well, I'll quickly tell you. We have a new ship coming in, which I've not seen yet. New for 2025. I know it's the end of the season, but I still want to try and capture it. It is POLSTEAM INSKO. Just coming up the canal right now. She came out of Port Colborne about 45 minutes ago, and she's just come into view. The only problem is, if I show you the view of her right now, she is a little backlit because the sun is right behind her. But she's going to come right past us right here, really, really close, which is going to be spectacular. Now, once I've got a shot of the vessel coming by here, then we're going to head up towards lock number 7 and try and capture her getting into lock 7. So it's going to be quite a bit of a race for me to turn around here and head up there and see if we can get some more shots of her. So in the meantime, we've just got to wait, wait patiently, and freeze ourselves as we wait for this vessel. Typical. I'm down here all on my own, just as the ship shows up, a quad bike shows up. Oh, perfect timing. He's slowly going away. As we can see, unfortunately, she's very much backlit, and she will be for the next 30 seconds. And then as she gets level with me, we should be turning it around so it won't be backlit, because the sun is just slightly on her starboard side still. This is interesting. Look at this. The ice has just been pushed back this way really quick. What a great looking vessel. Right, I just made a quick stop off before I get to lock number 7, because I managed to get to the Allenburgg Bridge just before it went up. And now the ship is actually going to go underneath here very, very shortly. I got the drone warming up, so I get the drone up, we'll get some shots as the ship comes under the Allanburg Bridge here, as it makes its way downbound on the Welland Canal. Snow on the banks at the Allenburgg Bridge, and out of the white haze, something enormous and very serious is heading straight to the bridge. This is POLSTEAM INSKO, and she is not here to admire the scenery. 200 meters of steel, that is 656 feet of bulk carrier, sliding up the Welland Canal. Built in 2025 in Shanhaiguan, China, INSKO is the new kid in the POLSTEAM family, a modern laker with that fresh from the shipyard look. But beneath the paint, she is all business. A handy-sized dry bulk carrier with room for roughly 37,000 tons of cargo. Every hatch cover the drone flies over is another chapter in the story of how things get from one end of the planet to the other. Today, her holds are packed with dry bulk, the stuff that makes the world work but never makes a brochure. Grain, ore, fertilizer, coal, the ingredients of ports, power and paychecks. POLSTEAM INSKO measures 200 meters long, that is 656 feet, and she has a beam of 24 meters, which is 79 feet. Now watch how perfectly lined up she is to slip under the lift bridge. 200 meters of ship, and just one propeller keeping all that weight dead straight through the concrete slot. find that very mesmerizing, how the water just is pushed back like this and swirls around. It's not as impressive today because it's a grey, miserable day, but still looks great. And there she goes, squeezing in to lock number 7 and continuing her next part of the journey, which is down lock number 7 into the flight of staircase locks and making its way down to Lake Ontario. Folks, you don't get much closer than this to the action. You surely don't. Listen to that thunderous noise. Like it's booming. one did. All right, that is it from lock number 7. POLSTEAM INSKO is now making her way down lock number 7 and then onto lock number 6, down the staircase, 3, 2, 1, onto Lake Ontario and on her way to Montreal. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Until the next time, stay safe, look after one another, keep warm, and if I don't see you before the end of the year, Merry Christmas.